Alright guys, welcome back to Living Our American Dream. Today is day 2 of the Michigan turkey hunt, and I'm out here with Marcus. And it is the evening. This morning, we set up on some birds right on the roost, and we ended up missing about a 35-yard shot this morning. They're within range, buddy, whenever you're ready. I think we hit a little bit low, but we did a little practice shooting at the house, and we came back here. These birds were on the roost 2 days in a row in this same spot. Now, I have no idea if they're gonna come back after we shot this morning, but they hung around here for like an hour after that all happened. So I'm hoping they went off to the north and kind of spent the day in some fields that are up there, and hopefully they're gonna make their way back here within the next hour here as daylight fades, and they're gonna come right back to this roosting area. So stay tuned, we'll see. We got birds over here, but it looks like they're gonna go right past us and roost on the neighbor's property, which is not ideal. No, they're not. They're looking at each other. Look at that. There's 3 turkeys over there fighting each other. We're hoping that one of them gets his ass kicked and comes this way. Oh, they're running away. Dang it. Well, shooting hours are over now, and we've got turkeys about 150 yards, maybe 100 yards, due north of us in that direction, and they're roosting in the trees right now. We're just, we're gonna wait until it's dark enough where we can slip out of here without them seeing us, because we don't want to mess up their roosting area. Now, I know we didn't get a shot tonight, but we got some pretty cool footage, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna stay on this turkey hunting thing, and hopefully we'll be able to get one on camera with either Marcus or Michael this season. So I appreciate you watching this video, and we will see you the next one.